welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to import reviews from Amazon or AliExpress to your Shopify store. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is open the app that you want to get reviews from, like Amazon or AliExpress, and choose the same product you're selling that has good reviews so that we can import them on your Shopify store. Now go to your Shopify account and tap on the apps, then search for Amazon reviews. From here, choose this one since it has a free plan and just tap on install. After you click install, you'll be redirected here and just click whichever you like. In my case, I'll click on this one. And here you'll be asked for the URL of the product, so go to Amazon or app that you want to get reviews from and copy the link of the product. Go back here to paste the link. Now this is optional to upgrade, but we want to focus on the free plan only. After a while, you can go back to Shopify store, and from here you can check on the review like that and hit on the view product. And in here, just enter your password on your Shopify store. And there you go. You have one review on your Shopify store. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.